Eli was oblivious, or rather, he was unaware, of the name-calling going on around him. Does oblivious mean obvious, aware, not conscious of, or jealous of? Looking at our sentence, we see the signal words, or rather, telling us that the sentence is going to give us a synonym for the word oblivious. In this case, unaware. Keep in mind that the UN prefix means not or negative. In this case, unaware means not aware. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best fits our definition. While obvious might look like the word oblivious, as we see, the definitions have nothing to do with each other. Aware, as we just discovered, is actually the exact opposite of our word oblivious, and therefore we can cross that off as well. Not conscious of seems to fit our definition of unaware, but we're going to go on just to be sure. D, jealous of, also doesn't fit our definition, and we can cross it off. Therefore, the answer is C, not conscious of.